Hi, my name is Ashana. I am doing my RISE peer review for Miss Stefania Lazaro. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong. So I'll get started here with the RISE feedback. As soon as I open your website, honestly, you have an aesthetic here, and it is so simple, but it's so sleek at the same time. Your professional photo, it fits with the aesthetic and with the purpose of the website, so I really like that here. Everything flows. I really like that you have everything on one page, but your about and your portfolio actually just bounce you down to the part of the page that you need to be at. It's not separate pages, so that's really smooth transition. I like how that's set up. For Inquire, I actually didn't find anything where I was questioning what is this supposed to do, what is that supposed to do, what was the purpose behind putting this here. So I'll say good job there, because there was really no confusion on your website. As you see, I'm scrolling down and everything is clear cut, precise. Like I said before, the simplicity of it really pulls it together while also making it look sophisticated at the same time. My suggestion, though, to you, I'll jump down to portfolio. It's actually a suggestion that somebody's made to me several times for my own website. I have not gotten to it yet, but I do absolutely plan to do it by the end of the class or by the end of the assignment. You have your portfolio set in a grid of 6. And because you have it set up like this, and you have a lot of really strong work here, and everything actually can be clicked on directly from the page, it doesn't take you to a separate tab. I'll just click here for that. It enlarges it, so everybody can see that when they look at the review, instead of opening a whole separate tab on your browser. But I like the idea that somebody gave me to actually put it so, I can't think of how to say it at the moment. You have a box here, and you can actually click through, so there will be one portfolio thing on the screen at a time with the description. And I'll use that again. It's like this, and you can click through it, but instead of seeing what you see here on the screen, you see what just popped up on the screen. I think that it would tie your website together a lot more. Besides that, I have no complaints. Everything looks really smooth on your site. I don't know about this right here, if you purposely left the 01 and the 02 about there. I'm just bringing that up in case they're placeholders, so you don't get marked on that or don't realize that they're there later, but I'm not sure if they're supposed to be there or not. But altogether, your website looks really good. I really like your portfolio work. I like how you brought everything together. So good job, and I wish you good luck in the rest of the course and the rest of the program.